We all dream of those exciting DIY projects, but more often than not, we're too intimidated to actually start them.
Yeah, now with DIY workshops that give a step-by-step guide from a professional, Leroy Merlin break it down and they make it simpler, helping customers create and decorate the homes of their dreams.
Leroy Merlin is a home improvement store like no other. Leading up to the opening of this very first store in Greenstone, they created a fan group for DIY enthusiasts who met regularly to share ideas and advice. Due to popularity, they host daily workshops at the store, and today I'll be joining in on one. The workshop concept is so beneficial for DIY fans and enthusiasts because, let's face it, sometimes we don't just like walking into a shop and grabbing a product off the shelf. We actually enjoy the process of building it from scratch.
The main idea around workshops was to create an opportunity for customers to come in and build something. So it could be if maybe you wanted to improve a DIY skill or share a DIY skill.
Given.
Hi, Tulu.
Hi, how are you?
Good, and you?
Good, man. So what exactly are we going to be making here today?
Today we're going to be building a lantern. I've got a prototype already made. It's something like this. So all these pieces, we're going to put them together to make a lantern. You can take a place there, then we'll all start putting the pieces together.
I've always considered myself a bit of a DIY enthusiast, so I'm ready to get my hands dirty and join in on the fun. These workshops give DIY enthusiasts and fans the skills, and of course they get a sense of accomplishment. Given, talk to us about how you became part of these workshops.
I was fixing a door. Then I had to look for a door lock. Went around various hardware stores, ended up in Leroy Merlin, and where I met Cedric, who helped me with my ordeal. Then we had a small conversation where he discovered that I do carpentry. I built pallet furniture, and from then he proposed that I can become a facilitator for the workshops, and we started working on the workshop from there. Then the rest was history.
A 50 Rand booking fee and a small cost for materials is all it takes for DIY fans to join these workshops and create their very own products. I can't think of a better way to spend my morning than learning how to create a unique product like this one right here.
See how exciting DIY can be. Now, if you're inspired to start a DIY project of your own, then listen up. Leroy Merlin are giving 2 lucky winners the chance to win a copy of their brand new DIY book, which is the easiest DIY book in the world.
Simplissime, and to inspire you with some exciting and easy DIYs. That's what it's all about. So all you have to do is head over to our Facebook page, comment on the competition post, telling us what DIY project you would tackle first in your home if you want a copy of Simplissime. And it's the easiest DIY book in the world by Hatchet and Lassoise and Leroy Merlin, South Africa. VAS rates apply, T's and C's also apply. And all you have to do is visit expressoshow.com to find them. We're going to take a young break.
Yes, while you draw some inspiration. Mine's probably going to be a bit cold. We'll see you in a bit.
Present!